Hi everyone, it's Drayvon, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to repair a toilet. So today what I need to do is replace the toilet valve, which is kind of old, so because the toilet's been making a noise. So to fix that problem, you need a new valve, pliers, a towel, so when you empty the water out you can clean the bottom of the base. Then I also have the water bucket to drain the water in. Okay. So first, before you do anything, you always want to turn your water off, which is located at the bottom here. You can hear it on, to the right is off. So what you want to do is unloosen the coil, like that. The bucket underneath so you don't make a mess. And underneath, there are two white washers, a small one and a big one. First is the big one. You want to take that off, which is that. Then there's also one more which holds the toilet valve. Which is taking forever to come off. And this small one. Now you just lift the valve up and the water flows right out. There's still a little water in there, so you want to unhook the tube. Set the old one there. Stick a towel. Clean all the water out the bottom of the toilet base. It's a lot of water in there. Just want to make sure everything's cleaned off real good, so there's no rust or anything or mold. Okay. And after that, you want to take the new valve and size it up to the old one. It's almost the same length. Now to adjust it, you just twist, and you just stand those two next to each other. It's kind of the same, and the old one has rust here, so that's why I wiped the bottom of the toilet base out. Now, there's a black washer that comes with it. Just put that on the bottom of the valve. Then you drop it right back in the hole. And there's a new tube also. Put it in the water filter. Then you take the small washer first and just replace it back onto the valve, just so that it holds it real steady inside. Hand tighten is perfect, because if you use the wrench, it might strip the bolt. Okay. Now you put this one back on. Okay, that's on real tight. Then the coil wire, so that you can get your water back inside the toilet. You want to make sure it's real tight so the water isn't leaking and making a mess all over the floor. Okay. Now once that's full, you want to turn the water back on. You can see it fill back up. Now once that's full, you're basically done. Just want to put your lid back on it and just make sure it fills all the way to the top. I'm going to flush it again to make sure it's not making noise after it stops. Okay, now it's done filling. It's not making any noise, so the new valve did way better than that old one. Flush it. And there, now you know how to fix a toilet.